Hello friends, my name is Radia. Today we're going to learn how to make checkboxes in HTML. So first we're going to open VS Code and then remember to write the H1 and the title. So we're going to write label and then we're going to set this to CIH. We're going to just set it to select student name. So now we're going to add another input. We're going to set it to input checkbox. But we're going to be adding only the ID, which will be RAH. And then we're going to write label for, and then we're going to set it to RAH, which is the ID of this one. Then we're going to say Radia Abiblahi Isa. But we have to add a BR, and it is just optional to add a space or two, so that when we reload it, we'll see this one that says Radia Abiblahi Isa, and we can even check it. Now we'll go to checkboxes.html. Then we're going to press Ctrl C and we'll paste it Ctrl V. But remember, if you make that mistake of not copying the BR, make sure to copy it again, at this time with the BR, and paste it. We are going to paste it 4 times. So we're going to set it to I in this one, Y in this one, H in this one, and IAO in this one. And then we're going to change all of these ones to, I'll change this to I, I'll change this to Y, I'll change this to H, and I will change this to IAO. So we're going to change all of these to Isa, and we're going to change this one to Habib, and we're going to change this one to oh yes, we're supposed to change this to Yusuf. And this one Habib. We're going to change the last one to Isa, and then we're going to change this one to Obalo. And now when we reload it, we'll see all of these. Yay! But now we're going to change the font size by adding, and we're also going to style it by adding style, and then we're going to say background color. We're going to change it to something like orange, like here. And then we're going to add a space, and then this time we're going to do font size. We're going to set it to 29, and then we're going to reload our video, and now all of these things are bigger, and we have a background color. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. So bye.